Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and relieving pressure. Safety matters. Once unplugged, wait about 30 minutes so capacitors and refrigerant equalize, then put on gloves and glasses. Make sure to document wiring and tubing with photos and notes. This saves time when reassembling. Next, verify there's no voltage with a multimeter and shut the service valves on the access port if present. From here, you're ready to remove the protective panels and trace the compressor's mechanical and electrical connections. You must handle refrigerant correctly, follow local regulations or have it recovered because venting is illegal and harmful. Once clear, unbolt the compressor mounts and label each electrical terminal before disconnecting so you won't mix them up. Carefully remove suction and discharge lines, catching oil for measurement. When installing the new unit, transfer measured oil or add the specified amount, fit a new filter dryer and gaskets, tighten to torque specs, and reconnect lines and terminals using your photos as a map. Once sealed, you'll pull a deep vacuum, target under 500 microns, and hold it to remove moisture and non-condensables. This prevents compressor damage. After a successful hold, charge the system with the exact refrigerant weight specified by the manufacturer, because overcharge or undercharge causes poor cooling and stress. Restart the fridge, monitor static and running pressures and cabinet temperatures, and listen for odd sounds. If pressures climb or leaks appear, isolate the problem, repair, and re-evacuate before recharging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.